We saw the market start quite a bit higher, around about 100 points higher, the FTSE 100 where we closed on Friday, but some of that initial euphoria starting to fade a little bit. You know, we are still up quite a lot on the day, which is a good sign. The euro seems to be just about holding on to most of its gains made in Asian trading. But it is relief, I think, rather than any excitement that suddenly things are going to be completely different. I think it's just a relief that Greece now looks like they do have a government finally. I think the immediate problem, as we all know, I think now focus has maybe gone back off, we'll go back off Greece this week, we're back to looking at Spain. And although we've seen something of a relief in markets, we have seen Spanish bond yields drop slightly, making the cost of borrowing for Spain a little bit cheaper than it was on Friday, but they haven't dropped dramatically. So I think this is still the next big concern. I think a choppy summer, I think it's definitely what we're set for. It's difficult to see markets making any significant headway upwards while we have all of this hanging over us. So maybe the best case we could hope for is that in 3 or 4 months' time, markets are trading roughly where they are today. If the last few months is anything to go by, that is unlikely. We're probably going to have the odd shock along the way, the odd political disagreement. So I think markets will still be very vulnerable of sudden, sharp sell-offs. And I think we've still got a long way to go until markets feel more confident about the outlook for Europe and the global economy, you know, as a result of that. So I think we could still be in for some difficult times throughout the summer.